Step 1. Understand the trap. Your brain runs on dopamine, the reward chemical. Every time you scroll, watch porn, or binge content, you get a dopamine spike. But here's what nobody tells you. The higher the spike, the lower your baseline drops. That's why normal life feels boring. That's why you can't focus. Your brain has been trained to expect instant rewards, so anything that requires effort feels impossible. This isn't a willpower problem, it's a neurological imbalance. And once you understand that, you stop blaming yourself and start fixing the system. Step 2. The 72-hour hard reset. For the first 3 days, they're brutal, but they're everything. For 72 hours, no social media, no porn, no binge watching, no mindless scrolling. Just you, your thoughts, and the discomfort. Why 72 hours? Because that's when your dopamine receptors begin healing. You'll feel restless, bored, maybe anxious. Good, that means it's working. Fill this time with walks, reading, journaling, or just sitting in silence. Let your brain remember what stillness feels like. Step 3. Engineer your environment. Willpower is overrated. Environment is everything. Delete the apps that trigger you. Unfollow accounts that keep you weak. Put your phone in another room at night. Install website blockers. You're not removing temptation because you're weak. You're removing it because you're strategic. Navy SEALs don't rely on motivation in combat. They rely on preparation. Do the same. Make the wrong choice hard. Make the right choice automatic. Step 4. Move your body daily. Unused energy becomes destructive energy. When you don't move, that tension builds up and your brain looks for the easiest release. You already know where that leads. Commit to 30 minutes of intense movement every single day. Lift weights, run, do burpees until you can't think straight. When your body's exhausted, your mind gets quiet. Exercise doesn't just burn calories, it rebuilds your brain's reward system naturally. Step 5. The 10-minute rule. Every urge has a lifespan. Most don't last longer than 10 to 15 minutes. When you feel it coming, don't fight it, delay it. Tell yourself, I'll decide in 10 minutes. Then immediately change your state. Splash cold water on your face. Step outside. Do push-ups. Call someone. The urge is just a wave. If you can ride it for 10 minutes without acting, it passes. Every time you do this, you're literally rewiring your brain to choose discipline over impulse. Step 6. Build an identity, not just a habit. Here's where most people fail. They try to change behavior without changing identity. Stop saying, I'm trying to quit. Start saying, I'm not someone who does that. The version of you who keeps relapsing, that's not who you are. That's who you were programmed to be. The real you, the one with focus, energy, and self-respect, is waiting on the other side of this reset. Every small win reinforces who you're becoming. Stack enough of them and you won't recognize the person you used to be. This isn't about being perfect, it's about being in control. Start today, not tomorrow, not Monday, right now. Because 6 months from now, you'll either thank yourself or you'll be watching another video just like this one, still stuck in the same cycle. The choice is yours. If this hit different, drop a comment and subscribe. Let's build something stronger together.